Stirling PDF is the #1 open-source PDF application on GitHub, with over 80,000 stars. It is a powerful, self-hosted PDF editing platform that lets you edit, merge, split, sign, redact, convert, and OCR PDF files, all without sending your documents to any external service. You can run it as a desktop app, use it in your browser, or deploy it on your own server with a private API. With over 50 PDF tools, it covers everything from simple merges to advanced features like digital signatures and OCR. Getting started is incredibly simple. Just run one Docker command, docker run p8080:8080 docker.stirlingpdf.com/stirlingtools/stirling-pdf, then open your browser to localhost port 8080. That's it, you have a full PDF editing platform running locally. Stirling PDF provides enterprise-grade features including SSO, auditing, and flexible on-premises deployments. It also offers a no-code automation workflow system and REST APIs for integrating PDF processing into your existing applications. The interface supports over 40 languages, making it truly global. Whether you're an individual who needs to edit PDFs without Adobe, or an enterprise looking for a self-hosted document processing solution, Stirling PDF has you covered. The latest version 2.11.0 brings new features and improvements. It's open source, private, and completely free to use on your own infrastructure.